No, no.
Oh, whoa. Hey guys, it's Melanie. It's also everyone's favorite time of year. It is back to school season. So obviously, as you guys could tell by the title, today's video is gonna be a back to school try on haul, but not
just any haul.
It is pretty big. Yeah. You know, to combat this terrible season where you're just kind of really
stressed
and freaking out because your happiness is pretty much over and you're doomed to like another year of
torture,
we just need to do some retail therapy. That's exactly what I did. I actually don't start school until like mid-September, which I know is pretty late as a whole. Let me know when you guys start back to school. I know some of you guys have already started. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you're in my prayers. Just hang in there. Today's video, yeah, I already said today's video.
Okay.
I'm gonna be showing you guys some stuff that I got for back to school, aka I just wanted to buy clothes to help myself feel better because I'm depressed about going back to school. You know, same thing. Honestly, okay, don't come at me. A lot of these things are revealing, but then again, I do running start, so I don't really have a dress code. So I got some pretty exciting things. These are collective,
obviously.
So I'm just gonna hop in. I'm gonna start off with, let's just get Forever 21 out of the way because we all knew it was coming. I don't think I've ever had a haul that doesn't have Forever 21 in it. All right, here we go. I got this dress. It is like a waffle material, mauve colored. I wore it in some photos that are probably on my Instagram by now. It's kind of like a baby doll, little ruffled tear dress. Just really I was really gonna say this dress is really chill. It's very like simple, but also kind of girly. It gives me kind of like a Free People vibe. Yeah, I really do enjoy this very much. And you know, with the school season coming up, me being very lazy, when you think about it, it's almost easier to wear a dress because it's just like one piece and you just throw it on and you look put together compared to wearing like sweats and a hoodie because then you have to pick out two pieces and you don't look put together whatsoever. So, you know, it never really happens, but who knows? It's a senior season. Maybe something has changed. I also got this sweater. It is baby blue. It is quite a low cut in the front. Also cropped. I just thought that since it has a nice V, you could like stack jewelry and wear a nice bralette or something like that. I don't know. I also bought this stuff literally in the beginning of summer and I was probably thinking I would wear this to the beach, but now summer is literally over and I still haven't taken the tags off this. That's great. We love that. It's chill. I can wear this during the fall. I can wear this whenever I want. I got two of these thingy-majiggers. These are just little cropped hoodies. I think it was like 2 for $25. So I got one in this blue shade and then also in this black shade. These are just nice little basics. I absolutely love cropped things and like zip up hoodies are awesome because you can just throw them on top of like a shirt like this, you know. I'm always cold at school. You gotta bring a jacket with you and I figured these would go with everything. Not with, you know, I'm not really making sense. I'm just trying to like, I wear hoodies a lot to school. It's a great cover up. You can style it up or down. They're not fuzzy inside, which is the only bummer, but it's chill. Like, we're okay with it. I'm fine with it, okay? And then the last thing I got from Forever 21 is this little, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I also got a necklace. I forgot about this. Okay, well I got this little gold necklace. Totally forgot about that. And then I also got this top, which is like pretty nice. It's like a little button up and then it's black and has a cute little floral print and then the ruffle everywhere because we all know lettuce trim, blah, blah, blah. It's styling. So I dig this. Don't know, I just smelled that. On to a couple things from JCPenney. I got high top black Converse. I think Converse are pretty cool, to be honest. I feel like Vans kind of took over, but I still think Converse are
pretty hip.
I also got these flowy pants that are blue. These are nice and comfy. They literally feel like sweatpants, but they're kind of like the paper bag ones, but a softer material. So I really dig these. I can look a little more, you know, professional, like dressed up if I feel like it. Probably won't, but you know, at least we have the option now. I also got 2 pairs of these utility pants, which have been very in, and I'm very, very much here for it. I got some in this army greenish color. They have a bunch of pockets, which is awesome because, you know, I like to carry pens and stuff. They remind me of Kim Possible which is alright. I never really watched the show, to be honest. Please don't come for me. Then I got them in black. This one also comes with this cool belt, which I really, really dig. Also has a bunch of pockets. A little bit edgy. I'm not very edgy. I'm not edgy at all. The pants are pretty cool, okay? They also make you look like you have a little bit of a butt, which I absolutely don't. So it's kind of helpful. I also got a pair of these sweatpants from Champion. These are also, these are actually from the boys section. Pro tip, life hack, if you're literally tiny, 5 feet like me, shop in the boys section. You'll get good deals, and there's a lot of stuff you can't even find in like the women's and blah blah blah. So these are just plain black ones. They're very thin, which is actually pretty cool because, you know, you could go running in them. You could sleep in them, go to class in them, I don't know. And then it also says Champion somewhere on the leg. Right there, you see it, Champion. Then I got this top, which is just like a nice little floral print. Very, very adorable.
It looks like something they'd sell at Brandy.
I'm so annoying. Literally everything I say.
It's something they sell at Brandy.
Melanie, shut up. It also has a nice little trim. Very, very adorable. I think this would look great with jeans. I don't know what I'm saying. Then I also got this top in 2 different colors. It's the same thing. It's just a wrap top. This one is in navy and this one is in white. And they both have this little like dainty floral pattern thing going on, which I think is also pretty adorable. So that's fun. Moving on to some stuff that I thrifted. Holy shoot, I did not realize how much stuff that I have in this haul. I need to calm down. First off, this is like very much collective. I don't even know where all these things are from. This is one of those things I was like, this is kind of hideous, but I also like feel kind of attached to it and I kind of love it. So then I just ended up getting it. It's like a collared shirt, but then it has drawstrings in the collar, and then it has Hawaiian hibiscus flowers across the front. Please tell me this isn't ugly and I'm not going crazy, because I kind of thought it was
freaking groovy.
I'll try to make it work, okay? Like, I'm going to Hawaii, so I'll definitely wear it there. And then if I don't wear it after that, it's okay, because at least I wore it in Hawaii. I got this. This is from Brandy, but I thrifted it, so it was like $10, which is
freaking rad.
It's just this little dress, and it has the wrap front, and this is like one of my favorite prints. I think it's so adorable. The only thing is that it's a slip dress, and we all know Melanie does not have curves whatsoever. She has the body of a 10-year-old boy, so I don't know if this is gonna look stupid on me. If it does, I'll just crop it into a tank top and call it good. And then I could turn the bottom into like a 2-top, you know, thrift flip, here we come.
It's cool, it's cool.
Then I got this shirt, which is Huff USA worldwide, and I remember back in the day, back in middle school, there were these, I forgot what brand it was, but it was some hoodie brand, and they had like all these flags on them, and I thought it was like the coolest thing ever, and I wanted it so bad. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god. Middle school Melanie is screaming right now. This is also one of those things, I was like, I'm not sure if this is a little bit cringy, but I got it anyways. If it is, I'll just wear it to bed.
Whatever.
But basically, it just has a bunch of flags everywhere down the sleeve, which I thought was pretty cool. It's also very worn in, so it's super soft and stuff, which I love. That's like my favorite thing about thrifting stuff, is that it's like already worn in for you, which is the best part, because I hate like when you get a new t-shirt and it's super stiff and uncomfortable and you like force yourself to wear it and you're like, ugh. But yeah, not really sure. Still a little, might be a little too. Edgy is not the right word. Yeah, whatever. And then the last few items that I thrifted, they're all very athletic. I don't really know what I was thinking. I got this plain white Nike Dri-Fit long sleeve. Obviously, I'll wear this to like the gym or whatever. It was only $5. That's pretty cool. Love that. I also got this Nike zip up. It's in like a heathered-ish gray. It is a size medium. It's a little like big on me, but I thought it would look kind of cool, oversized for some reason. It also has the little thumb hole, which I am an absolute sucker for. Anything with a anything with a thumb hole has got me. I didn't really get this one with the intent of like wearing it to the gym or anything. I just thought, you know, I could wear it to school and look like, instead of people thinking like,
oh, she's a bum, she's wearing a hoodie again,
they'd be like,
oh, she's such an athlete, she just came from soccer practice or like a jog.
I also got this Nike zip up, which was quite a find. I actually have this in a dark gray, which is really bad because now I have like two of the exact same one and they're like literally this far apart from each other in the shade difference, but it's fine, okay? I wear it all the time. I really like it. In pretty good condition, and it was like $5. Once again, Melanie is defending herself for poor decisions made. Actually, I don't think it was a poor decision. I think it was a freaking great decision.
Thank you very much.
I also got this Adidas men's long sleeve athletic shirt. I thought it was really cool. Just like the white and the navy like contrasting, and then like the stripes, and I don't know. It was just calling out to me, man. And I know it's freaking huge, but I'm honestly just gonna wear it as a dress. I think that it's pretty stinking cool. That's that. I just like roll up the sleeves, you know, wear it as a long sleeve dress. It's a style.
It's a look, okay?
Your girl started shopping at Aritzia, which is honestly
the worst thing ever.
Because, oh my gosh, it's so bad. I used to be like,
oh my god, I would never shop there. It's so expensive.
But now I'm freaking in love with everything at Aritzia. I just honestly did not know how to shop there. I only got two things from there this time. I just got this plain, it's not even black, it's like graphite, I don't know. It's the brand TNA. I love TNA. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like brand new, but it has the nice worn-in feel, so it's super soft. Really like it, and I also really like the color of it. I was just vibing, okay? It was also on sale, so it was like $10. How cool. Then I also got this top, which is freaking Adidas, and it was like 15 bucks or something because it was on clearance. Just a crop top, and it's this nice purple color. It has really nice embroidery on it, little stripy stripes on the sleeve. It's great quality. Probably not gonna be wearing this to like work out or anything. It's more a fashion statement, you know, dressing athletic when we all know I'm not. Now on to a couple things I ordered from Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters is another place I swore myself that I would not shop there. That was probably the fattest lie ever because I
love Urban.
It's a problem. I got both. Actually, no, I didn't. I'm a liar. Oh, this is weird. Oh, just kidding. It's not funky. I don't know why I said that. Okay. I got this. I absolutely love Urban Outfitters graphic tees. So I got this one. It has butterflies on it. Pretty adorable. We all know it's probably a phase, but you know, it's fine. This one just has 16 different butterflies on it. That's pretty cool. I also got this Champion hoodie that was actually on sale, which was really cool because Champion stuff doesn't go on sale very often, especially when it's like a plain color like this, so that is pretty neat. Just got this in a size small. It was like 50% off, which was freaking insane. Like, thank you Urban Outfitters for that. That was amazing. We only have 2 more stores left. So, we have H&M right here. I don't know why they gave me a freaking huge bag, but it's okay. Just got a couple things. First off, I got these shorts on clearance for $5, which is pretty neat. They are just like army green, and they're like little, not flowy, but fabric material, so they're pretty comfy, you know. They have pockets and like a nice drawstring. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And then I also got these ones, which are honestly kind of bad quality, but they were only $3, and I really wanted some flowy black shorts because I only have like denim black ones, and then I also figured I could bring these to Hawaii, and if they get all crappy, you know,
we'd be Gucci.
But honestly, $3, that's pretty rad. Thanks H&M for that. And then the last thing from H&M is this hoodie. It's from the men's section. H&M hoodies, I just discovered them. They're amazing. Like, actually, I didn't just discover them. I would buy the women's ones, which are also good, but I really, really like the men's ones. They have them in a bunch of colors. They're $25. They're super soft and cozy. This one's kind of like a purple. Oh my gosh. I think I like this shade. Gosh, oh gosh. Melanie has a new favorite color. This is not good. I got this in a size small. Even the size extra small is kind of big on me, but I figured by getting a small, I can wear it kind of as like a hoodie dress, or I can tuck it in, make it like a normal hoodie. So, you know, that's just what I thought. I really had to hold myself back today because I almost bought 4 of them. Go me, improvement. Then I got 2 tank tops from Garage. They're just these plain cami ones. Okay, I know I wouldn't wear this to school, or like if I wore this to school, I would definitely wear something on top. Don't worry, I'm not
insane.
I just got that in white and black because I wanted some basics. Love Garage. And then last place, none other than Brandy Melville. Are we surprised? No, we are definitely not surprised. We have just a few goods there. I got this, this white top, which is terrible because I have so many white tops. Waffle knit, and it has the little lettuce trim, but it's a V-neck, which I thought was so
exciting and different.
I also got this little light blue top, and then it has the embroidered little like flowers. I thought the yellow and blue looked kind of cute together. And then the last two things are headbands. Okay, honestly, this was very impulsive. Like, the line at Brandy Melville was very long. I was just like waiting there and looking around the store. I just kept adding stuff to what I was buying. It was not good. I think it's honestly their marketing tactic. I ended up getting 2 headbands. I never wear headbands. I look stupid in headbands. But, you know, something in me was saying, like, Melanie, you can pull it off. So we're gonna try this. I don't know if these are coming back and stuff. Oh god, this was a mistake. Maybe we can make it work somehow. And then this one has a little tie. So maybe I could tie this in a bow. Oh, I know. I thought this would look better in my head, okay? This, I look like a freaking Christmas present. I don't know, we'll figure it out later. Okay, that's the end of my haul. Now I really need to go try all this stuff on, but I think I need to go take a little power nap first. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, this super, super fun back to school video. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you lots. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Bye!